gadgets are making humans physically weak and mentally sick. Let me repeat the topic again. Machines and gadgets are making humans physically sick and mentally weak. Look, both are the same.
Let me start let me start as we all know that we are living in the age of science and electronic tools is a part and parcel for every people and by using these electronic tools we save our time and money. But in the negative side, we can see we are spending lots of time in front of like these electronic tools. Then and we are not doing any physical work. Then it is a bad for our health.
As we know that we are living in 21st century, it is the era of technology, and technology replaces man from the work, and we can easily see that in past time many kinds of workers do the work, but in present time a single machine can do the work easily, and machines are making person is lazy.
In this era of technology, machines are playing very important role in our life. Like if we want to talk to anyone, we just call him and talk. We want to go anywhere, we just start our vehicle and go there. I would like to say that machine are making us lazy and it is not promoting us for physical health and physical workout.
We are living in the age of science, and the science has become an important part of our life, and technology is increasing day by day. Due to technology, the machines are increasing, and machines have do our work very easily and in some little time. But due to machines, the unemployment is increasing also day by day, because if we take example of factories in past time, many workers do the work and they earn their livelihood, but in the place of those workers, one machine is do many more. So
Machines
that
is the
Yes,
machine
I
is
have
many kinds
one
of
point in
unemployment, and we can easily see that in the past time when machine are not exist, the people were not lazy and they can easily live with 100 years. But in present time, machines are replacing human, and human are lazy, so they
As we know that today machines are replacing humans. As some of example, one of example is that. But if we first previously we want to withdraw money, we should go to bank. But nowadays we with one click we can withdraw money anywhere. So we can say that we are less.
I agree with your point, but we are saying that person is saying that unemployment is increasing. But I want to say that the many of the workers working there making that machine. I think that employment is going there. I think worker is same. That worker is going there. I think employment is same, and somewhere is unemployment increasing a little bit. But if we want to say that if really is a physically unfit machine is making a physically unfit the people, I think in the 20th century, 21 era, the machine will be grow and technology will be grow in the future. But we can say that we should be for the fitness. We should stop the growing of our India. I think it should not. We should be stable and we should be balanced. We should be responsible for our health. Then it's I think that's the reason our growth will be increased. And our government doing a lot of work and fit India movement, yoga devas for us. We will be support that movement. That's the reason. Then that a movement will be
Yeah,
successful.
machines plays a very important role to the boost of the country's economy, and machines are replacing human. We know, but sometimes machines save men from doing risky works by, as we can see that there are some risky works that will be done easily by the machines.
In past times, we have seen that children used to play outdoor games, and but nowadays they are using mobile games, and it makes them physically weak.
as we know, this is the 21st century, and this century called the series century, because machines are replacing humans, and humans have become dependent on machine. If humans have become dependent on machine, they do not do physically work, so it makes us lazy and lethargic.
Yeah,
And
okay, friend. As we know that we are living in a technology era where we are covered with electronic tools and electronic machine. I think electronic tools and electronic machine are making us lazy and sick, because due to electronic machine we are any work do with the electronic tools. For example, in rural areas,
there are many type of people are purchasing bikes. They have bicycle, but they are not interested in bicycle. If someone want to go 1 kilometer or 2 kilometer, they just kick bike and go for their work. I think if they pedal their bicycle, I think this improve their health and physical strong.
In my opinion, if we are using the science like a servant, then it is a boon for us. But in the current age, we are making it our master. And but in my opinion, it is our responsibility that we should make it a use it balancing manner.
In the pandemic situation, everything was stopped, but the study of was going on with the help of machines, and we can easily see that many kinds of private employees who are doing their work from home. It was only possible with the help of machine does their work for their livelihood.
As we know that many studies show us that machines and technology also decreasing our memory power and focusing in your work. So we cannot deny that machines also harmful
Let's
for
talk
us.
about another topic. Great job, no problem. We'll go for another one. I have a target of at least 15 topics should be covered today, right? You want to relax? This guy is tired. This topic is quite funny, not funny exactly. What do you think? Television is a stupid box just to waste time, or it is also a source of unlimited knowledge? So I hope you got the thing that you have to think about.
I would
I
like to
would like to
say
get
that
the
topic
topic.
of
We have to know what is the television. Television was invented by the Graham Bell, and television was invented by the John Leggy Bear.
Yeah.
Television provides us many kinds of knowledge. We can easily see in the news and many kinds of other things, and we can also entertainment. If we feel bored, and we can entertainment with the help of television.
Nowadays television is first thing in our life because television shows us what they want. But if we have mobile, we can search that what we want. So we can say that sometimes domestic violence increasing because of it's a serial like Sural Simarka and many of them.
Yeah, friend, I don't agree with you because you said that there are many kinds of digital. There are many kinds of digital televisions are. We can buy. We can instigate the chip in which we can watch anything what we want.
In my
We
opinion,
can't say that televisions are totally worse for us. Sometimes there are many lot of news channels, and other news channel also help us, and also there are many educational channel also there which student used to study them, and also there are many devotional channel like many people used to.
But nowadays we think that
News channel is television is giving a knowledge out of our mind. If we are taking the phone, we search only what we want and what we have in our mind. But we see in a television, we find out our mind. We do not want to that thing, but we are seeing that thing. I think that's the reason we got knowledge from the out of the mind, and we are seeing that in the movies, and also we can see serials giving a lot of knowledge of the society. They are giving knowledge of how to connect with the
yeah,
society.
friend, I agree with you. How can we forget that in the pandemic situation, television is the only one source of entertainment and knowledge, because in lockdown we are totally in our house. But
And
nowadays,
television and friends, television is the best example of recreation, and in my personal opinion, it is boon for us because it gives us some new knowledge and outdoor knowledge, because when we are see anything upgrade any woman who are upgraded up us, then we are due like this and want to be live like this, and it is a boon for us.
But that in this time, the great person said the internet get a relax to our mind. If any student is getting a relaxation by the internet, I think nowadays that student make a top in our area. I think also television a boon for the student.
yeah, friend, I agree with you. In rural and development areas, we can easily see that the economic condition of the rural and development areas, villagers are not good. They cannot afford the mobile and laptop, so they can easily buy a television and they can get knowledge.
But nowadays we are saying that, but now news channels are spreading their agendas, and you said movie channels, the content of movies are very vulgar. A family can't see together. They are in this time movies, so we can say that it's the worst thing of our life.
The
I
addition of
think so.
television is
I think
good.
television is good for our family because it's maintain our relationship among the family members. If everyone has mobile phone, they are operating lonely. Then if there is a television, our family members sit among and they can see what is going on the TV. I think it is very good for
The
us.
addition of television is good. If we, it's our mentality how we use. If we use it for the knowledge and everything, that it is very good. And if we use it for the time pass only and in the serial, it has increased the domestic violence also. That is bad sometimes.
It is only television that connects us with the family also. We are using just mobile phone, we are separately using mobile phone. But if we are playing television, the television connects us with
But
family.
nowadays
but
content
I think television is a boon for the physical unfit people and who are the old people. They are not able to read a newspaper. They can only hear the news and find the what is exist in our India. I think they are boon for that people.
In my opinion, television is boon for us, for a student, because as we see that in the time of lockdown, the online classes run in the television and students get education by using of a television.
Yeah, but I agree with you. In the particular situation, government provide many kinds of channels in the television and
Sir, you finished please.
Television is very good because it provides a lot of knowledge. And if a person using mobile phones, then a person see in mobile phone what they want to see. And if a person seeing in television, they have to see in advertisement. And if a person see advertisement, then he provides a lot of knowledge for the social thing.
Enough. Shut it down. We will go for the next one. We will go for the next one. Is India ready to go cashless? This is the next topic, and you can start with that. It's a different.
Let me start because as we know that India India is growing day by day, not only in agriculture but also in the technology, and we are using lots of we can transfer money we can transfer money by using of the internet and mobile phone. And in my personal opinion, yes, India is ready for like this activity because our government also increase the internet and technology.
first we also
I
know
think
what is
so.
cashless India. Cashless means the exist of currency will be totally diminished and we can easily see that with the help of Google Pay and Phone Pay we can send money. It is also a cashless India.
Cashless India is a thing that is that where we have no rupee and no money cash in our pockets, but only we have mobile and we pay everywhere what we want. But it is not good because in rural areas it is not possible for every person to use up Google Pay and like these activities. That is not good for.
I think
That is
I-
always
That
very important.
in this time we are facing that great
Sometimes
sometimes
is told by someone in the and he has only mobile. First has been stolen and he has only mobile. With the he has no money. With the help of cashless India, we can send money from anywhere to anywhere. But sometimes it is not good that sometimes many cafe workers copied their thumb and do in bad manner.
But the reason is here that really India can become a cashless. In this time, we are saying that the great person said that
Use
initiation
this
is
word
a
digital payments. Use this word, please. In place of that, what you guys are using digital transactions, digital payments. Okay. Cashless India is a slogan by the Indian government to make all the transactions digitally. Now there will be no use of currency. There will be all the time the uses of digital transactions. This is the main slogan you will say. It is just a slogan and campaign which is launched by Indian government to make India digitally educated, you may say. Okay.
As the great person said that initiation is a halt for the any human being. If the cashless and digital payment will initiate, I think it will not be difficult for our India to become a cashless India. And this time we are seeing that every young man using the cell phone and giving the digital transfer. I think this is a starting of the cashless India. In the future, our India will be become a cashless.
Yes, I agree with my friends as he said. As he said, saying that I'm agree, and as we know, digital payment for us when we are traveling anywhere we are using digital payment, and it has also loopholes, and our government trying their best that hackers not hack our necessary information and data. If our government set up like these steps, then it is good for
I
our
think
Cashless is a
that
form
what
of
the
digital currency. As we have seen that in the time of demonetization, we are suffering for currency. If we have digital cashless currency, we can pay to anyone. But we at that time it was not available. But it could be a good initiative for the future.
I think today
Transaction can improve the condition of the person, and the robbery cases will be diminished, and the corruption which are exist in our society will be diminished. That we can see that many kinds of jolly
And
notice.
as we
in
know
the
that
cashless India, government should be think about the people who are not aware of the security. I think government should be aware that people how to secure our data and how to secure our money, because in this time many of the hackers exist who can hack the all money. I think this is very bad for the citizen.
We
of
have
India.
seen that Pakistan provided fake money to the Indian Jammu Kashmir people, to increase the increase the crime, and after the cashless India, fake money will be diminished, and the criminal activities will be diminished.
I think cashless India is a dream for today because rural development is not good as we expected. Sometimes we know that education in our proper education is not found. Sometimes old people and sometimes can say that 40 plus age people don't know how to react on a mobile. They can click on the wrong link, so their money can be hacked by someone. So we can say that first government should teach every people how to use it. It only depend on our government and some people what they want. Not every people can get these access.
I think
Thank
cashless
you.
India can be make it become a boon of our India, because cashless India will can maybe the corruption free. Because if the anyone giving the corruption money to any government officer, I think they have data to that I give that money. I think that's the reason corruption
But
will
my
decrease.
friend, how can you say that corruption will decrease if person is digitally payment, they can transfer their money digitally abroad? How can you say that if person have currency, they can take their money with their cities?
By the
out of
currency,
By
the
digital transactions, whatever digital transactions are made, they are stored in some servers, logically servers. So it means that if you are making any digital transactions, your data is available on internet, and directly, indirectly, government is having eye on that. So that is why this cashless India slogan was given by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, just to remove corruption. It was a step to fight against corruption. Yeah.
and that's the reason government can find out how much balance in the bank of that officer, and by that they can also find a tax of the money, and no one black money will be exist over India.
Sometimes
Cashless
cashless
India
currency can
can-
become the rocket science for those people who are not educated and not available to operate the mobile phones and those types of things. These things can be happened only in rural areas.
Due to
Cashless India is possible. Cashless India is possible in India, but we have to a lot of work. We should educate. We should educate it, and we should increase the condition of internet. And cashless means to use only online money.
Yeah, okay, friend, I'm agree with you. India is ready for cashless India, but it is not totally ready for cashless India, because in rural areas we often see that there are many people who don't know how to operate mobile phones. And there are many people who are living in urban and rural area both, where they are not prosperous to buy a smartphone. Without a smartphone, we can't cashless make India. So I think these type of activities we should the government implement.
Yeah, friend,
Then
I
we
agree
can
with you.
apply
I
this.
agree with you. Cashless India plays a very important role to decrease the corruption. But our country, India, is still not prepared for the cashless India. First, government should start the campaign to communicate the people how to operate mobile and
Exactly, friend. This is not possible. In this time, it is not possible that in the rural and urban areas, all people should be to the cash digital transfer. But gradually, it will be increased, and also the people will be educated because young people is too aware of the mobile phone, and in the future, it will exist in our India.
At last, there would be a strong security are also available because due to lack of awareness, many type of cyber crime are also seen in our society. In which many people lost their data and bank balance. I think it's create a big problem.
A strong cyber security should be there, as you said that the fraud and hacking cases will be occur if there is no strong security in the digital currency.
Due to
Well, let's have the conclusion, sir. First of all, I would like to start with you.
last, I would like to conclude by saying that the robbery and theft cases will decrease due to cashless India, but hacking and cyber cases can also increase because some hackers can hack our data and they can transfer money easily. And if we really improve the cashless India, we should aware our people and not give them knowledge what is this, and then it will become in future.
Cashless India or digital currency can be good for those, especially youngsters, but it can't be applied totally in the whole country because there are a lot of people who are not aware of this and they are not able to operate mobile phone. So the government should take the step before they should aware about all the people and then they came in existence.
Cashless India is very good, but cashless India is very good. But if we are going cashless, then we will addicted to mobile. We will addicted to mobile phones.
at conclusion, I will say the main aim of Cashless India to decrease the corruption and criminal activities in our country and also root out the black money. So our country India is still not prepare for the Cashless India. Our government should start the campaign to communicate the people who does not know how to operate mobile and how to use these apps.
I think if we want to make India cashless, first our government should teach every people how to use it, and then because our people only 68% go to school, so we can say that it's not possible if this type of mentality of parents or government are they are. We should always promote a first education, then cashless India will be ready for India.
I think cashless India is good for our country. So and government should also make some campaign so that they can surveillance on cybercrime. In this way, we can make India in a
अब तुम तो
I'd like to say that the question is that is really India can become a cashless. I think it is a possible, but it will happen in our India in a gradually. If the young people will be adult, I think they will use all mobile gadgets and they will aware of the how to secure our data, and that's the reason India will correct freely and also become a cashless India.
Cashless scheme will be good when our government is able to strong our data and internet because cybercrime also increase when cashless India increases, and when our government will be able to, then it is good for us.